I found a small metal bird bath at a local flea market. I plan to refresh it and use it for my hummingbirds. I used a wire brush to brush off large pieces of rust. Then I used a steel wool to fine clean leftover spots. I used warm soapy water to clean off any dust and grease. Then I rinsed it off thoroughly. I used the WELD epoxy putty to fill the hole in the middle of the bath. This product is water resistant and it can bond with metal. I removed excess material and flattened the surface. Then I let it dry completely. I used to craft a smart outdoor acrylic paint on the bird bath. The color is red poppy. This type of paint is non-toxic and moisture resistant. I applied 3 coats of paint and waited for a few hours between each coat. The paint needs to cure and dry for 72 hours before using. I applied 2 coats of Krylon UV-resistant acrylic coating as top coat. This product is also moisture resistant. I cut off the bottom of a plastic bottle and use it to raise the height of the fountain and to hold a turkey baster top. I cut off a small triangle at the bottom to allow the pump wire to go through, so the bottle can sit flat in the bird bath. I used a non-toxic vinyl tubing found at Lowe's inside the fountain. I used a small tubing first. The diameter is 1/4 inch, which fits the inner diameter of the pump opening. It was a mistake because the water pressure was too strong, and the water shoots too high, which was not safe for the birds.
That's too strong for the bird.
I then switched to a larger tubing, and the diameter is 1/2 inch. This tubing is slightly larger than the pump opening, but it still works. This time the water flow is much gentler. The water height is about 1 to 2 inches, and it is perfect for hummingbirds. The vinyl tubing is usually curled up because of manufacturing. To straighten the tubing, I let it soak in gently boiling water for 1 minute. I took it out and let it cool down. This method will reset the vinyl tubing, and now the vinyl tubing is straight. I put all parts together to test if everything works. I used hot glue to secure the turkey baster top and bottle. Next, I used the hot glue to go around the turkey baster to create a spot where the birds would land while enjoying the water. Now the water fountain is complete. I set up the bird bath under my feeders. I placed a glass pie pan in the center, and this is where the water will go. It is an extra step, but I feel more comfortable not to let the water touch any paint or chemicals, even though I try to use all non-toxic and animal-safe materials. I used a power bank to power the pump, but you can also find one which is solar powered. Now the bird bath and fountain is all complete.